Campari, please.
Campari, please.
Soda?
No lemonade.
Lemonade. No, soda. Campari and lemonade? How can you possibly?
Like this, mate.
Campari, with soda, with lemonade, with tonic, but always with pleasure.
It's nice here, isn't it?
Ravishing.
Yeah.
Darling, I've had such an awful day. The plumbers were in this morning. The bathroom looks like a battlefield. And when I went to collect your suit, not only were all the buttons off, but they've actually lost the trousers. You would like a cup of tea, dear, wouldn't you? Oh, and Johnny's got the flu, so he's been in bed all day.
The Parker Knoll Norton recliner for all men whose wives have had a hard day at home.
Did you have a hard day, dear?
Ring this number for your nearest stockist.
Here, do you know something? If you stop eating Bird's Eye Beefburgers and eat these cheap ones,
Aye.
you'll save Mum enough money to buy me a Leeds United tracksuit.
Fantastic.
I mean, they look the same, don't they?
They might look same, but they don't taste the same.
Ah, you can't tell the difference.
Well, I can. The cheapen's yours.
Bird's Eye. Somehow other beef burgers just don't taste the same.
I've pounded the road from coast to coast, Yorkie and me rolling on. 'Cause a long day's run can be short on fun without Yorkie to help me along. Good, rich and thick, a milk chocolate brick, each bite a chunky big mouthful. Yorkie's the shape that real milk chocolate ought to be. So when I still that big old mill, there's plenty more in store for me from that chunky bar of mine.
Roundtree's Yorkie, chunky milk chocolate, or peanuts in milk chocolate.
Oh, he flies through the air with the greatest of ease, the daring young bird on the 10-penny piece. Oh, hello. If anyone ever says you can't do much on 10p these days, you just tell them to make a cheap rate phone call. If you dial long-distance calls direct on your own phone, you can chat for as long as 3 minutes for less than 10p, and local calls are even cheaper. Oh, he flies through the air with the greatest of ease.
This summer, sit back, relax, and enjoy the long, cold spell. Cold Guinness.
Hello, I'm Willie Weeble. Today we're going to Weeble Farm in our new horse and cart. Hello, Farmer Weeble. Afternoon, Willie. Have you seen my new animals? Oh, look, Granny, they wobble just like us. Let's go, everybody. Oh, where's Wendy gone? Perhaps she's gone to the new Weeble paddling pool. There she is. Oh, there are lots of exciting new things in the wonderful world of Weebles.
$6 million man, ready to operate and command. Colonel Steve Austin is the $6 million man, complete with the technology to replace his bionic modules. Check him out with the bionic transport and repair station. Control his amazing lifting strength. See through his wide-angle bionic eye. The man, his bionic transport that becomes a repair station, and a working backpack radio.
On your last trip, did you discover what the Earth people eat? They eat a great many of these. They peel them with their metal knives, boil them for 20 of their minutes. Then they smash them all to bits. They are clearly a most primitive people.
For mash, get smash.
There were 7 of us. Thousands have tried before. This is where they left their bones. We knew what was waiting. We knew what was waiting for us. The sea witches. The Greeks knew about them. The faces of mortal women. But their hair is legend. Was this the real location of Eden? Were these the vanished descendants of Eve? There were 7 of us. Men with no hope, only courage. This is what we were after. The hair colors of Sea Witch. Semi-permanent, simple to use. 12 colors. There's one for you. At your chemist. 4 and 11pence.
I'm afraid he's got your favorite chair again, but I hate to disturb him.
Yes, I know what you mean. They tire so easily. But of course they don't have Kennomeat. It's the meat, liver and vitamins in Kennomeat that keeps us dogs so active.
I'll find you another chair, Albert.
It's all right, Sydney. I think he wants to go walkers.